what's up guys, I'd like to say hi to all of you guys who are watching right now here on my channel guys. By the way, I'm here in Das Burger. It's located in the Boulevard guys, in front of the Boulevard. I showed you already earlier. The outside of this restaurant is a small restaurant located here beside the hotel. Okay, beside the Residencia hotel guys. And like I said, this is a small place here. Before I tried to ask my friend if where can we find Angus burger here in Dumaguete guys, but the problem is I cannot find any Angus burger. So my friend told me, why don't you try to visit Das Burger? And I asked him where is the location of Das Burger. Thank you so much to John CBD, my friend, yeah, my co-worker. He suggested this place, John. And yeah, I was here now. I'm trying to order a burger. Their specialty is the bestseller Das Burger pork barrel. I know it has bread on the top, but I'm ordering without bread. It's like a for my diet. Like, remember I post a video about my secret about diet guys, ketogenic diet, and in that diet you are not allowed to eat burger, I mean bun, because you're not allowed to eat carbohydrates, so you can only eat fats and lettuce. So I'm here to order a lettuce, a burger, the specialty here in that burger, the pork barrel. I don't know what's the meaning of pork barrel. Is it a barrel from the can? No, no, just kidding guys. A pork barrel, and it has a lot of ingredients like I think there's a bacon on it, there's a tomato, there's a lettuce, burger, and there's a lot more. That is the specialty here in Das Burger guys. We're just only waiting for my food. To all of you who are followers, to all my followers who are staying here in Dumaguete guys, if you're looking for a place where you can eat, a ketogenic food guys, even though if you love burger and you love the taste of the burger guys, and it's been struggling for you because it's really hard to find a burger, well, this is the right place guys. Das Burger is the best place, and we will try and check it out guys later on what's the taste of burger with no bun. Okay, simple like a burger, but it was covered by lettuce guys. Okay. Alright guys, ito na yung order. Normally, if you're going to order a burger here, they will serve it with a cover instead of plate. But it's okay. That's okay. That's preparation for planning to take it out. Let me check what's inside. It was covered by the foil. Oh, lambot. Ganun pala yung tsura nun. Okay. Let me check it out guys. Let me put you there first. Check natin Okay, so small burger without a bun. Okay, let me check. Where can I open this? From this side? From this side or this side? So it's like a plate. Sige, matapon to sa akin. Okay, there you go. Okay. See, that's how it is, guys. If I'm going to eat this, I have to cover it like this, and like that. Then, okay, my tomatoes there. So, open it like this. There you go. So, it's tasty with mayonnaise, right? Mayonnaise, cheese, and lettuce. See? That's nice. So we're going to order, come here guys, order this kind of food if you are in keto. Let me check, what can I do for this? Okay, there you go. Okay. I can bend it like this and cover it like this. See? Easy. Now I can eat. Eat. Come on guys, let's eat. I don't know how can I eat this. Yeah. I can eat this like this. The taste is the same as burger. Okay, you have to remove the lettuce first so you can eat the burger. Then, another bend. Matrabaho siya, pero okay lang yun. If you love the taste of the Angus, you have to sacrifice, guys. You have to eat like this. The good thing about foil is it's not unlike compared to tissue. Before I tried to eat burger using the tissue, and the sauce is all over me because the tissue will get wet. But this one is okay. Okay. Yeah. That's Angus burger. Messy, a little bit messy, but it's okay. So if you want to taste this, guys, come and visit this one here. Okay? Busing ko muna, ha. Okay guys, these are the people who work here. They were going to invite you to come here.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako nga po pala si Marvin at ini-invite po namin kayo na punta po kami dito sa Burgery sa Dumaguete. We're serving high quality beef burgers, especially Angus burgers. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng best burger dito sa Dumaguete, punta kayo dito sa Burgery.
Mahihayin siya guys. Anyway guys, so like I said, the burger is very good and I love this burger and I'm going to recommend this place to all my friends, guys. So check it out, visit this place. So check it out, guys. If you want to come in here, there is a place. If you're looking also for Angus burger, this is the best place, guys. This is the best place here. So it's in front of the boulevard, as you can see. So there's the boulevard over there. See, it's even near to where is it, the Dumaguete? Yeah, there you go. So there you go, guys. So anyway, and it's been a while since I do a vlog about food, guys, but definitely I suggest or I recommend this place, guys. Angus burger or Das burger. I don't know how you read it backwards. It's Das burger. Yeah, it's Das burger, guys. And it's really nice and it's not really that expensive. I show you already the price, right? Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe, click the comment below, and yeah, and click the like. Okay guys, see you, goodbye.